to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox my mom's mannequin and I want to show you how it looks like.
So to step up the gas if I ride for you. Today I'ma give up the ghost, I'ma fight for you. I hope that you give me these energy back too. I don't really care though, cause I'm up to show man. I'll see what it be if you got me too. Show me I'm number one and I'm number two. I don't mind the paparazzi and the show up too. I just wanna know if I mean something to you. I'ma be a bad man, but I keep my loyalty to ya. If I go to bread from, I'ma break the door with ya. There's no only for you, bruh. You just have to calm down. So don't play games with me, cause you fucking play yourself. You lose a good one. I can never ever back off. Never ever step up, nah. I can never ever back off. I ride for you till everything goes up. I can never ever back off. Never ever step up, nah. I can never ever back off. I ride for you till everything goes up. I can never ever back off. I ride for you. Nobody got you if you got no money.
You gon' bring something to the table.
For one, I'll be there for you when you are nobody. This love's for real, baby, I don't care about nothing. All I want for you is to be happily happy. I don't want no drama if you hide a movie. Those things play in my head and I try to forget it. It's so dangerous, can make me forget things. Wanna be in a good grace for life. I'ma be a bad man, but I keep my loyalty to ya. If I go to bread from, I'ma break the door with ya. There's no only for you, bruh. You just have to calm down. So don't play games with me, cause you fucking play yourself. You lose a good one. I can never ever back off. Never ever step up, nah. I can never ever back off. I ride for you till everything goes up. I can never ever back off. Never ever step up, nah. I can never ever back off. I ride for you till everything goes up. I can never ever back off. I ride for you. I can never ever back off. I ride for you. Don't play games. Right. Let's be rich gang forever. Vacation on some island. That's my prayer, it's answered. Yeah, this forever. For the real ones. Shout out to the real ones. Yeah. I'ma be a bad man, but I keep my loyalty to ya. If I go to bread from, I'ma break the door with ya. There's no only for you, bruh. You just have to calm down. So don't play games with me, cause you fucking play yourself. You lose a good